In 1923, insulin was sold for just $1. Today, that same drug can cost more than $300. It began in a dusty Toronto lab, where Frederick Banting and his team made a discovery that would change medicine forever. They sold their patent for $1 each, believing insulin should belong to the world, not corporations. Banting declared, "Insulin does not belong to me, it belongs to the world." For the first time, a diagnosis of type 1 diabetes was no longer a death sentence. But by the 1980s, the story began to change with the rise of synthetic human insulin. Pharmaceutical giants discovered a strategy: make tiny tweaks, extend patents, and restart the profit cycle. New analog insulins were marketed as breakthroughs and priced like luxury goods. The cheaper versions were quietly discontinued, leaving patients with no affordable choice. Patients were funneled into a system designed to keep them paying more forever. In the US, a single vial can cost over $300. 1 in 4 Americans on insulin admit they ration their supply, risking their lives. The cost is blindness, kidney failure, amputations, and lives lost. People have died, not because insulin doesn't exist, but because they couldn't afford it. Outrage grew, patients and families demanded change. In response, lawmakers capped out-of-pocket costs at $35 a month for some. The big three, Eli Lilly, Sanofi, and Novo Nordisk, followed with partial price caps of their own. But the system remains broken. The pricing games continue behind the scenes. The dark history of insulin is a warning. When medicine is treated as a commodity, human lives become the cost. For decades, insulin was mass-produced, affordable, and accessible to all who needed it.